Take anymore. Ang taray. Ano pong trabaho nyo rin sa... Dito po kayo sa Oklahoma talaga?
Texas.
Texas! Wala akong sinabi ha, kayo yung tumawa. Kayo talaga ang nag-judge, hindi ako. Pinakalabas yun lang ako yung masama, pero kayo talaga yung nag-react. Oo, bawal kayo, judgmental sila yun. Pero okay lang kung Texas. Anong mang masama kung Texas? Okay. Ilang taon na po kayo sa Amerika?
How many years?
May 20 years, 30 years?
More than that.
More than 30 years? Doon tayo nagka-problema. More than 30 years, pero puta Texas. Hindi po Texas yun. Ang tamang pagbigkas ay Texas. Texas. Saan ka nakatira? Sa Texas. Ganon. Sa Pilipinas. Saan po kayo nakatira sa Pilipinas? Sa? Sa Cebu. Ako kayo mga Bisaya. Ang mga Cebuano. Huwag niyo po itaas yung braso. Yung kilikili nakikita ko po. Yung mga kalmon ni Wolverine nakita ko. Pero, tignan niyo ang alahas. Ginto, ginto. Tignan, wow naman. Ang dami niyang alahas. Sabay-sabay niyang isinuot. Ano?
I work hard for this.
Ba't ka defensive? Sinabi ko bang ninakaw mo? Wala pa akong tinatanong pero I work hard for it. Born ka talaga sa Amerika, no? Wala ka pang tinatanong, nag-e-explain na. Samantalang sa Pilipinas, sa Kongreso, ang daming tanong, walang gustong sumagot. Puro hindi ko po maalala, Your Honor. Pero ikaw, at least natatandaan mo, you work hard for it.
Exactly.
Yes.
I'm not just sitting pretty. I work hard for my dollar.
You work hard for your dollar. That's why I salute you, because I know that you have worked hard for where you are now, to achieve what you have now, to be in a place that you are in now. I am so proud of you. I am very proud of you. God bless you. May He gets you later. No, just kidding.
31 years.
You worked hard for 31 years. So, what did you do for 31 years?
I work in medical field.
You worked in?
I work in medical field.
Medical?
In this one.
Medical. Okay.
In the
You're in the medical field. Are you a nurse? Are you a doctor?
No.
Oh, you're a librarian in the medical field. So what exactly do you do?
I work as nursing assistant.
You're a nursing assistant.
Intensive care.
I love you. Trivia. My grandma used to be a nursing assistant in San Francisco. That's what she did to, to suffice our needs in the Philippines. Yeah. My grandmother is also a part of the medical field. But in San Francisco, not in Texas. Aww. Very good. Sa Pilipinas, saan po kayo nakatira? Sa Cebu? Saan doon? Oh, nakalimutan mo na rin! Taga-Bamban ka ba? Ano po?
Hilayitan, Biholngan. Sasakay pa kami ng lansa.
Sasakay kayo ng lansya. Yun ang sinakyan mo para makatakas. Saan kayo bumaba ng kapatid mo? Sinong nag-asikaso sa inyo para makalabas ng bansa? Nakakatuwa. Nakakatuwa siya, no? First time niyo po ako napanood. Sana po nagiging masaya kayo ngayon na magkasama.
Very nice. Yung mga gropo ko.
Mga kagropo mo. Ha? O kung ano man po yun, hindi ko kasi maintindihan. Basta kung ano man yan, congrats, keep it up. God bless you. May asawa ka ba dito?
No, I'm a single now.
You're single now. What happened to your husband?
I lost him.
You lost him? Ah, naligaw siya? Iniwan niya sa isang lugar, tapos pagbalik niyo, wala na?
He was on my range, so I lost him.
Ano po? He passed away? Oh, sorry to hear that. It's okay. In time, we will all pass away. No, but how are you now?
I'm good.
Do you have kids?
I have 3 beautiful children and 5 grandchildren.
Oh, you have 3 beautiful children and 5 grandchildren. You have 3 beautiful children and 5 grandchildren. Why did you say that your grandchildren are beautiful? Aren't they beautiful? You only said 3 beautiful children and 5 ugly grandchildren. Okay, where are your 3 beautiful children now?
I have my eldest live in Albury. And the second one live in Michigan. And the youngest one live in Garland.
Ah, hiwa-hiwalay kayo. Ba't po kayo hiwa-hiwalay? May mga kaso ba kayong tinataguan? Para hindi kayo mahuli ng isa lang?
Traveling all the time now.
How are you living your life now? Are you having so much fun?
Yes.
You should be having so much fun. At your age, you have done so much for yourself, for your family, and for the society. It's due time that you enjoy your time. Okay? Whatever makes you happy. Whatever makes you happy, do it. If once in a while you want to go to the casino and, you know, play, it's okay. If you want to dance, you dance.
You're done.
Do you do Zumba? You do Zumba? Yeah? Sa Pilipinas yun ang dami nagsusumba, no? Pero pag titigan niyo yung mga nagsusumba, parang wala namang pumapaya. So minsan nagdadalawang isip na rin ako, totoo ba itong punyetang Zumbang to? Sa barangay namin, araw-araw may Zumba, yung mga nanay, pero wala akong nakitang pumaya. Kasi, 1 hour Zumba, 1.5 oras lamon pagkatapos. Tapos 6 hours tulog. Ganon, pero it's okay. What kind of dance do you do? Do you do hip-hop? Anything? Okay. Can you show me some cha-cha? Wow, naman si ate! Ang karot-karot, mukhang nagtitinder pa eh. Mukhang nagbabumble pati si ate, you know? Yeah. You dance a lot. You sing a lot. You laugh a lot. That's how you live. You know, after the pandemic, we have realized a lot of things. Life is uncertain. But whatever life brings us, let's just live. Yung mic po, hindi nyo sa bibig, huwag mo sa dede nyo. Kasi pag nagsalita yung areola nyo, tatakbo kami at matatakot.
It looks like it's not working. Oh, okay, it's working now.
Yeah. Okay.
I live happily always with my children and friends.
Yeah, we're very happy to hear that. All of us want to see mommies having fun. No? Because the moms, the mothers, you are the real queens of the world. Right? That's why you deserve that. I want to sing a song for you. What's your favorite song? Dandang Soy? Diyos ko, hindi na pinapatugtog sa Bombo Radyo yan. What is your favorite song? No, let her decide. What's her favorite song?
Dancing Queen.
Dancing. Join me on stage. Let's go. Hindi kasi makakisa. I love you too. Hello po.